You may be asking yourself, what is with this pile of envelopes? Well, I occasionally run a miniature quilt block exchange, and this year we did it for Halloween. These are all the envelopes from the people who have participated. So I'm going to open them on camera, and this is kind of like a little bit of Halloween-y Christmas. So, first and foremost, I'll put my own blocks out. I have two sets of blocks. This is a fussy cut pumpkin. They're all pretty much the same. And then I have some quilt blocks in Halloween-y colors. I have some crazy blocks. These are all made with the same fabric. Some patchy stuff. And then I've got some checkerboards and even tinier checkerboards. And that is my set of quilt blocks for the exchange. Now I'm going to open some envelopes, and I'm going to not show people's names for privacy. These blocks are from Mary. Let's see what Halloween-y goodness she's got going on for us. We've got, half square triangles. I love half square triangles. Spider webby fabric and some owls and pumpkins. Very cool, very cool. And then she said a second set. Look at that. Skeletons in a paper pieced coffin, it looks like. Although I don't know if she did paper piece those. That's awesome. Thank you, Mary. Look at that. Neat. Okay. And our next set of squares is from Melissa. Oh, more coffins. Cool. With a little bead on it. How cool is that? Well, great minds think alike. And no, I didn't know two people in a row were going to give us these awesome blocks. Look at that. Thank you, Melissa. All right. So, let's put Melissa's blocks aside, and let's open up the envelope from Hillary. What does Hillary have going on here? Oh, two sets of blocks from her too. What do we got here? We've got fussy cut candelabras and insects and lungs and a raven and a cat, pumpkin, more raven. If somebody's into Ravenclaw, this would be a great block for you. Mouse, toad, skulls seem to be a big theme this year. Spiders, And then, oh my word, she sent, did you send 3 sets? Hillary, you're an overachiever. Cat's eyes, cat faces. Very cool. I don't know if this block has a name, but whatever it is, it's very cute. So we've got, ooh, cat faces. And then half square triangles. Purple and green. Practically my favorite color combination. And bats. Wow, thank you, Hillary. Thank you very much. Now, let's see, who is next? This is from Wendy. All right, let's see. Let me make sure I don't pull out a self-addressed stamped envelope by mistake and show her name. And there's one in there, so I'm going to take it out off camera. Oh, Wendy. Look at candy corns. Giant candy corns. I love them. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, and she's the purple in the background. And the yellow and orange on the candy corn. You got a bigger stash than I do of Halloween colors. Look at, these are great. Thank you, Wendy. Oh, and she's got a second set. Fussy cut monsters. Isn't that cute? And they're all different. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. All right. Thank you, Wendy. Let's see who's next here. Got some. This next set is from Amy. And Amy, looks like Amy sent some 2 different sets as well. This is a bonanza of blocks. Let's see what these are. Square within a square. I'm not sure what the name of that pattern is. Very cute. Oh, I love that. The eyeball. And Casper. And a skeleton. And a ghost with a crown on. Another skeleton. Skull, I guess you should say. Square within a square. So cute. Look at all these. Neat. Skeleton wearing, it looks like a tuxedo. Poison marker. Cat skeleton. I'm going to have to figure out who's the biggest cat lover and send them some cat blocks. And we've got, oh, look at that. Wow, she sent 2 sets. So cute. So adorable. That's cute. Little girl in a tutu. Another ghost. A cat. Bat. Eyeballs. Eyeball. Oh, I like this owl with an attitude. I like that. I might keep that one for me. A skull. And a little bear. A dinosaur. Dinosaur. Trick-or-treater. Thank you for those, Amy. And let's open our next envelope. This is from Paulette. I'm gonna get into this off camera. Again, don't want to show her personal information on screen. Oh, you guys. Put Amy's blocks away. Paulette did embroidery. So nice. Ravens. Ravens or crows? Can't tell. Very Edgar Allan Poe. And ghosts. Wow. That must have taken so much time, all that embroidery. Very nice. There's a distinct gray theme this year that I haven't seen in years past. Very nice. Okay. Thank you for that. Let's see. This set is from Krista. Okay. And we've got, looks like paper piecing and embroidery. Wow. You went the extra mile there, Missy. Embroidered skull. Oh my gosh, look at this. Embroidered little witch head. How cute. Buttons, Frankenstein monster buttons. Buttons for eyes. A pumpkin, adorable. And mummy. Dracula. A pumpkin, cool. And then we've got some freeform piecing with fussy cutting going on. Neat. Wow, look at that. Lots of tiny piecing. A little pumpkin. It's appliqued on and embroidery. Oh, and a poison bottle. Those are adorable. And last but not least, I know there's a double set in this envelope. This is from Jonathan. This, oh wow, look at this. There's 2 sets. This is the first set. Purples and oranges and greens. Ah, oh, look at these. Gorgeous. I never thought about having all of my blocks be different. Next year, if I do this again, I'm gonna have all my blocks be different. Definitely. These are the same yet different. Wow, look at that. I love batiks. I love batiks. She's got a lot of batiks in here. Let's see what the second set is. Oh, look at that. Rich, deep purple and yellow batik. Oh, look at that. Each moon is different because batiks are different. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Jonathan. All right. So that is that. That is all the people. And next, I'll show them when they're all laid out and parceled out for people to receive. Here's all the quilt squares parceled out into the different groupings, and I'm going to mail them all today, so you'll see them soon. So this is my initial layout for my little quilt. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but this is what I'm thinking right now. So happy quilting to everybody, and I hope you send me pictures of your finished product. Bye!